In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails with Zapier. This is a great way to streamline your communication processes, whether you're managing a business or simply staying on top of personal responsibilities. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Zapier account. Once you're in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. What you're looking to do here is create what's called a Zap, which is essentially a workflow that automates a task. To do this, you'll want to click on the Create button to get started. After clicking Create, you'll be presented with an option to create a Zap. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create a Zap, and you'll move on to the first step of setting up your automation, selecting a trigger. Now, triggers are the events that start your workflow. Imagine it as the spark that ignites the whole process. For this automation, click on Schedule, as we want our emails to be sent on a regular, predictable basis. Here, you can define how frequently you want the email to be sent. Click Add Event to move forward. You will see a drop-down menu that lets you choose an event. Think of the event as the alert that tells the system, it's time to send an email. You can select from different options like daily or weekly, depending on your preference. Once you've picked the right trigger event, you'll be ready to set up the action. Next, let's dive into the action part of the Zap. The action is what happens once your trigger event occurs, in this case, sending an email. Start by typing Gmail into the search bar. Zapier can connect with numerous applications, but since we're focusing on email, Gmail is your best option here. Once you see Gmail in the list, click on it. With Gmail selected, it's time to add another event. In this context, event refers to the specific action you want to happen in Gmail, which is sending an email. Choose Send Email to move forward. Now, if you haven't done so already, make sure to sign into your Gmail account. This is critical for authorizing Zapier to use Gmail to send emails on your behalf. After signing in, you'll have to follow some on-screen prompts to allow Zapier access. Complete the prompts by allowing necessary permissions. Zapier may ask you to grant permission to read and send emails via your Gmail account. This is completely standard, so go ahead and accept these permissions if you're comfortable. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automated email sending system using Zapier. All that's left is to save your Zap and turn it on to start the automation process. This tool is incredibly flexible and powerful, perfect for enhancing productivity with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy automating your emails with ease.